Have you ever wondered, my friend, what lies beneath the waves? Far below the sunlight, where no ray can reach, lies a world of endless night. A world larger than all forests and mountains combined. And yet, it is not empty. It is alive, with creatures so strange, they could be from another world. Welcome to the deep ocean. Here, light becomes the voice of life. Tiny sparks, soft glows, dancing pulses. This is how they speak, in the dark. From gentle jellyfish to fierce hunters. Each one uses light to love, to warn, or to deceive. A language older than time itself. Meet the fangtooth. Small, but with the biggest teeth of all. It feels every movement, every whisper in the water. But even the hunter must beware. For some prey fight back with light, releasing clouds of glowing dust to vanish in seconds. Down here, time itself slows. Siphonophores, endless drifters, clone themselves forever, forming living chains longer than a whale. And from above, a snow begins to fall. Not of ice, but of life. Tiny fragments drifting down, feeding the deep. Millions of years of marine snow have built plains of soft mud. A quiet land covering half our planet. It looks empty. But wait, look closer. A sea toad waits, still as stone, walking on tiny fin feet. Above, the flapjack octopus glides, its body waving gently like silk in the current. Every night, the ocean awakens. Billions rise from the depths, feeding under the cover of darkness. And as the first light of dawn touches the waves, they return again, to the deep. The greatest migration on Earth happens here, every single night. Inside deep-sea submarines, humans finally see this hidden world. Turn off the lights, and magic begins. Jellyfish glow with rings of blue fire. Squids flash like dancing lanterns. And anglerfish dangle their glowing traps, waiting for the curious to come close. In this endless night, life has learned not just to survive, but to shine. So the next time you look at the sea, remember, beneath the calm blue lies another universe. Glowing, mysterious, and alive.